Hey there! Welcome back to Best Product. Today, we are taking a look at the top 5 best running shoes currently available on the market. Whether you're a marathoner or a casual jogger, we've found the perfect gear to help you reach your goals. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Onemix White Road running shoes. The Onemix White Road running shoes are designed to elevate the running experience with a combination of comfort, performance, and safety. Engineered with advanced cushioning, these shoes effectively absorb impact, reducing strain on the feet and joints during long runs. This thoughtful design ensures a more comfortable stride, even on challenging surfaces, making them suitable for both casual joggers and serious athletes. A standout feature of these shoes is their reflective detailing, which enhances visibility in low-light conditions. Whether running at dawn, dusk, or nighttime, the reflective elements offer an added layer of safety, allowing runners to be seen by drivers and other pedestrians. This practical touch blends seamlessly with the shoe's sleek aesthetic, combining functionality with style. Incorporating Formotion technology, these shoes promote a smooth transition from heel to toe. This innovation supports natural movement, improving running form while reducing the risk of injury. By aligning the foot's motion with the shoe's responsive design, runners can achieve more efficient strides and maintain better control over their pace and posture. Next, at number 4, is the Xtep Gen 5 running shoes. The Xtep Gen 5 running shoes are engineered for athletes who demand both durability and performance. Built with a robust PVC outsole and midsole, these shoes offer exceptional wear resistance, allowing runners to clock countless kilometers without compromising the integrity of their footwear. The Xtep 2000 Chem 5.0 model is specifically designed to endure the rigors of long-distance running, making them a reliable choice for serious runners. Constructed with a lightweight design, the Xtep Gen 5 provides freedom of movement, enabling runners to maintain speed and agility over extended periods. The leather upper material adds not only a premium aesthetic, but also a snug, comfortable fit that adapts to the foot, supporting stability throughout every stride. Tailored for professional-level training, these shoes cater to athletes who require precision and support. From casual joggers to competitive runners, the Xtep 2000 Chem 5.0 is engineered to handle demanding training routines while keeping the runner's comfort and endurance at the forefront. Combining high-quality materials with innovative design, these sneakers embody a balance of strength, flexibility, and professional-grade performance for those committed to pushing their limits. Coming in at number 3, we have the Qiaodan TG1 running shoes. The Qiaodan TG1 running shoes are highly specialized athletic footwear, designed with the demands of professional runners in mind. Engineered specifically for running, these shoes aim to enhance both performance and comfort, catering to athletes who seek reliability over long distances. Tailored for marathoners, the TG1 supports endurance for races exceeding 40 kilometers, ensuring stability and resilience throughout extended runs. Set to make their debut in autumn 2025, the Qiaodan TG1 integrates advanced design elements that reflect the latest in marathon shoe technology. The upper is constructed from jacquard mesh, a material chosen for its combination of breathability and durability, which helps keep feet cool while maintaining structural integrity during intense training sessions. Complementing this, the package upper design provides a secure fit that adapts to the foot's movements. The TG1 represents a future-ready approach to marathon footwear, blending high-performance materials with ergonomic design. Its attention to detail, from the engineered upper to the precise fit, demonstrates a commitment to meeting the rigorous standards of long-distance runners. Whether for training or competitive racing, these shoes are positioned to deliver a balance of endurance and modern innovation. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Li-ning Red Hare 9 Ultra Running Shoes. The Li-ning Red Hare 9 Ultra Running Shoes redefine the boundaries of performance footwear, combining cutting-edge technology with a design tailored for speed, stability, and endurance. At the heart of this shoe is a bio-inspired glass fiber support plate that intelligently redistributes pressure across the foot, providing enhanced arch support and minimizing the risk of injury. Its wider base ensures solid, stable landings, allowing runners to accelerate confidently. Equipped with next-generation GCU ground control, the Red Hare 9 Ultra excels on any surface, whether track, road, or wet terrain, offering superior grip and wear resistance. The BOOM FIBER Tech Upper combines lightweight durability with 3D breathable mesh, promoting rapid heat dissipation to keep feet cool during rigorous activity. Its dynamic wrap design secures the foot in the optimal position, enhancing control for sudden stops and powerful strides. The triple midsole power engine elevates performance with a layered approach, using a full-length Super BOOM top layer for energy return and a Super BOOM capsule mid-layer for rebound. This carefully engineered system supports the demands of both HIIT workouts and long-distance races. Designed for athletes who push limits, these shoes combine innovation and biomechanical insight to elevate the running experience. And finally, our top pick for the Kailas Fuga EX330 running shoes. The Kailas Fuga EX330 running shoes are engineered for endurance runners who demand both comfort and performance across challenging terrains. Featuring a supercritical foamed midsole, the sole is 21% thicker than traditional designs, delivering 23% more rebound. This combination ensures sustained cushioning, reducing joint pressure, and allowing runners to maintain peak performance, even during ultra-long-distance runs. Breathability is enhanced through the Xtep multidimensional mesh technology, which improves airflow by 40%. This rapid heat dissipation minimizes sweat accumulation and the risk of blisters while also providing a secure wrap to prevent forward foot movement. Complementing this, the AWS 3.02 stage anti-forward tightening system locks the foot in place, offering dynamic upper stability and protecting the toes during downhill sprints. Traction is another standout feature of the Fuga X330, with a 4M lug design that delivers a stable grip on both dry and wet surfaces. Every aspect of these shoes, from midsole cushioning to upper stability and tread design, is informed by real-world off-road experience. Whether navigating rugged mountain paths or tackling long-distance trails, these shoes combine innovative materials and thoughtful design for an optimized experience. That covers our list of the best footwear to get you moving. Check the price link in the description to find the best deals on your favorite pair. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like and subscribe to Best Product for more top-tier reviews. Happy running!